Hi amazing people, welcome to my channel Clitin Meals. It's your favorite girl, Princess Clitin, Queen of Hearts and Smiles. It's another tutorial going down. Let's start at the very beginning. You know what's up, right? Okay, into it. Again, it's your girl Princess Clitin, Queen of Hearts and Smiles. It's another tutorial going down, and it's a little hack that can help people to subscribe to your channel. You know, sometimes we need to give the people the little push that they need to get to subscribe to our channel. Why? Because some people will tell you that, oh, after watching your video, they really did not notice that there was a particular button there that needed them to subscribe, or they didn't really remember. They got to your channel, got excited about the video. When they were done watching the video, they really did not remember to subscribe. But what if you give them an opportunity to subscribe before watching the video? That's exactly what we're going to learn here today. This was inspired by Victor VE Universe, and he was the one who started or who taught me this tutorial, and I'm deciding to give it to my audience as well. So let's get to it. I have my URLs written all over somewhere. For example, this is what a URL is. If you look at this place I just highlighted in blue, that's a URL. I copy that, and then I need a new browser, clean slate, and paste. There you go. That's my channel, right? But now, what's the difference? What if I make this possible for someone before you get to see this? You have the button to subscribe. That's exactly what I'm going to show you right now. So let's get to my sticky notes. And where are you, sticky notes? Where are you? And there. So on my sticky notes, I already have this. This was my URL. This is the first one, and then this is the second one. What's the difference between this one and the first one? The first one doesn't have this. So look at what is highlighted. I'm going to read it out, and I'm still going to put it on this video. There you have a question mark, sub, underscore, confirmation equal to 1, question mark. That is what is added there. That's what I've added to the original URL. So the original one, let me do it with my finger. You can actually see this here. That is the original one. And then the next one that I'm going to make people get to subscribe, like I'm going to give them an option to subscribe before getting into my channel, is this one. And I added this part to it. Question mark, sub, underscore, confirmation equal to 1. So let's get to copy all of that and put it again in a new browser and get to see what happens. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. I love it when that pops up. Let's get that. Boom. Boom. You see that? It gives you an opportunity to subscribe already before getting into my channel. How cool is that? Very cool, yes? Okay, so let's step on it, step on it, step on it, step on it. So the first one without that addition gives you just the page entirely, but this second one with that addition, which I'm going to put on the page on this screen, and you're going to see it clearly, it gives you an opportunity for the person to subscribe to your channel before going in. So if the person clicks subscribe, okay, this I may not subscribe to myself. That's because I'm doing it with my channel. I would have done it with some other person's channel, but oops, I couldn't get a channel that I could do it with. So that's it. When the person clicks on it, it now comes back to this page, and then the person can go in and watch a video and do whatever happens. We already have a tutorial on how I got this video to be up here. This is my trailer video. So this video is what people who come to my channel the first time, if you've never subscribed to my channel before, you come to my channel, this is the video you're going to see. And if you have subscribed to my channel already and then you're coming back, you're going to see another video which is called the trailer video. That I'm going to tag it up here so that you can watch it and also get to have this on your channel. So when first people come and newcomers come, they know what they would get to see. And when old people come, you know, your family, those who are already part of your family, they know exactly what to see. If you want us to do another tutorial, just get to us and we'll be at your service. So what tutorial would you want us to do again? Put it down below in the comment section. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. Open, open, open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. To see you highly lifted up, shining, shining, shining in the light of your glory. Pour out your power and love as we sing holy, holy, holy. To see you highly lifted up, shining, shining, shining in the light of your glory. Pour out your power and love as we sing holy, holy, holy. Holy, holy, holy. I want to see you. Open the eyes of our hearts, Lord. Open the eyes of our hearts. We want to get ideas and make impact on YouTube. Open, open, open the eyes of our hearts, Lord. Open the eyes of our hearts. Fill us with ideas to make impact on YouTube. We want you to fill us in now. Shining, shining, shining in the light of your glory. Pour out your wisdom and all as we sing holy, holy, holy. To see you highly lifted up, shining, shining, shining in the light of your glory. Pour out your wisdom and all as we make impact on YouTube. Impact on YouTube. We want to see you. Shine, Jesus, shine. Fill our hearts with the Father's glory. Bless, Spirit, bless. Set our hearts on fire. Flow, river, flow. Flood our hearts with innovative ideas. Send forth your word, Lord, and let there be light. Lord, the love of your light is shining in the midst of the darkness shining. Jesus, light of this world, shine upon us. Set us free by the truth you now bring us. Shine on us, shine on, shine on us. Shine, Jesus, shine. Fill our hearts with innovative ideas. Send forth your word, Lord, and let there be light. Shine, Jesus, shine. Give us new, brand, and creative ideas so we can make impact right here on YouTube. Yes, I pray God gives us innovative ideas, very creative, very amazing, so that we'll be able to change lives. It's not only going to be about doing tutorials, doing inspirationals and all that, doing exactly what this or that person is doing, but He's going to give us the message, what we need to do per time to be able to impact and change lives, to be able to make people believe in themselves and be their best versions, so that the world is going to enjoy the manifestation of the sons of God. So yes, if this tutorial was very useful to you, get to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get all our updates. And whatever tutorial you want us to get doing, write it down in the comment section and we'll be at your service all the time. I always get to say I love you so very much, but God loves you way, way more. Bye-bye.